Have you ever heard the saying, you're a completely new person every 7 years? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, doesn't it? The idea that the person you were 7 years ago is, on a physical level, gone, replaced. Well, what if I told you there's a fascinating grain of truth to this? Let's dive into the incredible, non-stop renovation project happening inside your body right now. Our bodies are made of trillions of tiny building blocks called cells. And these cells aren't just sitting there. They're constantly working, aging, and eventually being replaced. Think of it like a city where old buildings are carefully demolished and new ones are built in their place, all without disrupting daily life. This process is called cellular regeneration, and it's happening all the time. So, where does the 7-year myth come from? It's a popular simplification of a very complex process. The truth is, different parts of your body renew at wildly different rates. Let's start with the parts that are in a hurry. Your stomach lining, for example, faces a harsh, acidic environment every time you eat. To survive, its cells are replaced incredibly fast, roughly every 2 to 9 days. The cells on the surface of your skin, which protect you from the outside world, are shed and replaced about every 2 to 4 weeks. That's why a paper cut heals so quickly. Your taste buds are also on a fast track, regenerating every 10 days or so, which is why you can burn your tongue on hot pizza and still taste it perfectly a week later. Now, let's look at the parts that take their time. Your red blood cells, which are crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body, have a lifespan of about 4 months. When they get old, your spleen and liver recycle them, and your bone marrow gets busy making new ones. Speaking of bones, your skeleton is in a constant state of remodeling. It's not just a static frame. Specialized cells are always breaking down old bone and building new bone. A complete skeletal turnover is estimated to take about 10 years. So the skeleton you have today is not the exact same one you had a decade ago. Even your liver, the body's master detoxifier, can regenerate remarkably well, replacing its cells over a period of about a year to a year and a half. But here's the big question. What about the cells that make you, well, you? I'm talking about your brain. For a long time, scientists believed that we were born with all the brain cells, or neurons, we would ever have. This led to the idea that once a neuron was gone, it was gone for good. This is largely true for the cerebral cortex, the part of the brain responsible for memory, thought, and consciousness. Most of these cells are with you for life. They are as old as you are, and this makes perfect sense, right? If your brain cells were constantly being replaced, how would you retain memories, skills, or your sense of identity? Your personality and life experiences are encoded in the connections between these long-lasting neurons. However, recent research has shown that some parts of the brain, like the hippocampus, which is involved in learning and memory, do experience some neurogenesis, or the birth of new neurons, even in adulthood, but it's a very limited process. Similarly, the cells in the lenses of your eyes and most of the muscle cells in your heart are also with you for your entire life. They don't get replaced. So, are you a new person every 7 years? Not exactly. It's more accurate to say you're a dynamic, ever-changing mosaic of old and new. Some parts of you are brand new from last week, while others have been with you since birth. This constant renewal is a testament to the incredible resilience and adaptability of the human body. It's what allows us to heal from injuries, fight off illnesses, and adapt to our environment. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember you're not looking at a static object. You're looking at a bustling, vibrant, and perpetually renovating masterpiece of biology. You are a work in progress, and that's a truly amazing thing. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this fascinating, give this video a like and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the human body. See you in the next one.